Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why when your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE are not charging. Actually, there may be a lot of different issues about this, but if you want to fix that, we can easily at first look at the charging port. If you here see that this little pin over here is damaged here, or it's just like something's wrong with it, you can't charge them actually, and you have to just go to the authorized service and have it fixed. Or if you here see some dust, you have to just clean it with a soft brush without water and without any other substances, with just a simple brush if you do see dust here. After this, everything should be fine. Apart from that, your device may be lagged. So, open the case lid and hold the circle button at the bottom of the case until you see the 3 different lights blinking. If it is, close the case, open it right again, and hold the same button for the same amount of time until you see these LED lights. Now, it means that now your earbuds are factory resetted and they should charge now. If they are still not charging, you have to go to the authorized service to have it fixed. Unfortunately, there is no other choice. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.